And by the miracle of video, the two I made this afternoon are right here. Treat. So we're going to make some no churn dulce de leche ice cream using painted goat cajeta from New York. And it's so easy, you're going to smack me good, I can take it, you're going to like it. And what we're going to use is sweetened condensed milk. This is good sweetened condensed milk, it's just milk and sugar. And one little can, which is 14 ounces. Yum, those little treats. We're going to add a little vanilla to this. And we're going to add, and you don't have to, but I happen to have a little bit of bourbon here from Berkshire Distillery. And the reason I'm going to add the bourbon is it's going to change the freezing point of this and let it not get too hard in the freezer. The alcohol, you don't have to. If you're adverse to alcohol, God bless, right? Sometimes if I'm making different flavors, if doing strawberry, I may use a little strawberry liqueur. If I want a neutral flavor, I'll use a little vodka. But you don't need a lot, about a half an ounce for this small batch. Get all those flavors together. And meanwhile, we're going to make whipped cream. So this is basically sweetened condensed milk, whipped cream, flavoring is ice cream. No need for an ice cream maker. Look at that. This cream is about 50% butterfat. It's no GMOs, no added hormones, family farm. It's everything that's good in the world, really, I mean, for my money. And it whips really quickly, as, have you told me you've made butter out of this before by mistake? So have I. But you just get a good rhythm going. It's always good to just get that rhythm going, baby. Stiff peak, holds a peak. There you are. This is what we're going to do. We're going to take the whipped cream. We're going to add it to our sweetened condensed milk. We're going to combine the two together gently, just like you were making cake batter. And now we're going to take our warm cajeta, give it a stir, take a nice spoonful or two right in there, and that is our streakies. Look. All right. This, my friends, goes right into the freezer, and in about 2 to 3 hours, you have fabulous, airy gelato. And if you don't believe me, stay right where you are. I'm going to the freezer. And by the miracle of video, the two I made this afternoon are right here. There's 2 pints. And that is how easy this is to make. Now, look at this texture. Nice canals. Now, staying in the tradition of South American cooking, I'm going to add a little fresh cinnamon to the top of this just for fun. And you're going to have some fabulous ice cream. Ladies, give me your feedback on that.
It's amazing.
They're silent, and I think silence is what we like to hear.